I just had a failed attempt at doing this on Facebook Live, sharing my screen. So I only captured a minute of my efforts. So I thought I would try this again. I'm just going to use a Zoom to record this. It's much easier to do it. I know it's going to work at least. So what we're doing is creating a vision board. Hope you're excited about this because vision boards are fun. They're very fun. They're like, ooh, it's like giving your inner child the keys to the kingdom, and you can put on there whatever you want. You get to choose what goes on your vision board, and it's a really great way to help you to see it so you can believe it. And I think I mentioned this. Well, you might not have seen that, but I did mention this before. But Marissa Peer talks about how people say, "Oh, like, I'll believe it when I can see it." So if you create your vision board, then you can start to see it, and subliminally or subconsciously it starts going into your mind that this is what you're aiming for, and helps to make it more real for you. So vision boards are awesome. I used a vision board when I was going through my fertility journey. It was helpful for me. I'm glad that I used it or had it as a tool. And it just helps us to keep us on track, like where we're going to shift our focus, because what we focus on grows, right? So without further ado, let's go to Canva to do a really easy way and quick way to create your vision board. So I'm just going to jump on over to Canva. Okay, here we are. Now, if you haven't used Canva before, it's Canva, canva.com. It's free. There's a free subscription and a paid subscription. Now, I actually do have the paid level because I use this for creating posts in my social media and for my YouTube videos and things like that. So it's totally worth it for me. I think it's only like $15 a month or something like that. So totally worth it if you're doing any form of marketing online. Yeah, so but otherwise you can definitely use it. Everything's accessible to you. What we're going to do is search for mood board. Mood boards. All right, so this is different. So basically what these are templates that you can use. Now this is the one that I was using in my first iteration of trying to do this video. Yeah, so this is the one, and here's what I was preparing earlier. So basically, how I like to do a vision board is to basically put a visual image of all of my goals. So if I go to this other one, which I was working on before, so here are 3 women who are so toned and look amazing. Look at them. I mean, they just got so much muscle tone, and I really, really love that. That's what I aspire to. And I'm seeing this image makes me want to go and do some exercise, which I need help with that at the moment. At the beginning of the year, I was really doing well with my health and exercise, my diet and my exercise. I was working out every day. I was doing lots of variety in my workouts and enjoying it. I was really loving it. So what I'm going to do is put a woman who's running, see if this can get an image of that. Running. So what sorry, I just leapt into that. What I'm going to do over here, Canva has all these different options for adding to your image, right? So actually, if you go to photos, there are heaps of they have a huge database of photos that we can use. So I'm going to put runner. Let's just do that there. Okay, running. All right, so look at this. That's amazing. I mean, imagine going for a run down that road. Like, that looks like it's somewhere just near the coastline. Looks like a little road that goes to a camping ground. Looks just like a road that I used to run down many, many years ago on the Central Coast. That looks beautiful. There's also this woman, she's like really, she's got both legs off the air, so she's flying. Nah, I don't like that one quite as much, so I'm just going to get rid of that one. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, no, I love this one. This is, I love running in the bush. Now I'm going to chuck that, where I'm going to put that down here. Now you can see that it photo probably, whoop, don't do that, undo. You can, I think I should be able to tweak that a little bit later on, but I'll sometimes, you know, I used to use Photoshop for doing my vision boards, but then I canceled my subscription when the pandemic hit. So, so you can use whatever photos software you've got available. You can actually, if you've got Microsoft Office, you can use Publisher, or what's that one where it's for slides and stuff? You know, that one. Starts with P. Yeah, whatever that is. I probably got it on here. Let me have a look. Microsoft. Nope. I don't know. Someone will know. PowerPoint, that's the one. PowerPoint, yeah. And I do have it. So you could do it the same thing with PowerPoint. You might find it easier to use if you're more familiar with it. So what I decided to do was just to create one of these Canva templates per area of my life. So this is obviously going to be my my health and fitness. So I'm going to put some words there like health, healthy lifestyle. Yeah, maybe I might change it to something a bit more meaningful. Oops, don't do that. Hey. So I like to use words in the mix with images because I find it's helpful for my brain to take on board what I'm looking at. So I'm going to put in muscle tone. And I'm going to put in, oh, you know what? I love the word vibrant. Vibrant health. Yeah, that makes me feel good. Okay, so if I've got, well, something else that might include on this one would be maybe some, like a, let's see, bikini. Does that seem like, is that too cliche? No, I don't want anything like that. That, it looks so photoshopped. Look at that. What? That is so photoshopped. Oh my God, that's crazy. Yeah, that's not what I'm aspiring to. I really like these fitness models. That looks amazing to me. So, okay, well maybe not that. So let's see, gym, fitness, workout. Going to include something along this lines. I've got my, what's that one? It's got tape measure, bottle of water, apple, and weights. That's not bad because that's the kind of daily things that I can include. There we go. Might pop you up there unless I find something better. What's this person doing? She's skipping. Don't love that one. It's another running one. It's nice because you can see the ocean along in the background, and you can also see how toned she is. Ooh. Maybe there. Wait, no, I'll put it down here for now. And this one, there we go. I probably don't need two runners. So it's about just finding a photo or an image that you enjoy looking at. Like, you don't want to find an image that you don't that makes you feel bad or makes you feel inadequate. You want that's hilarious. That's funny. Yeah, muscles. Whereas look at this woman's, whoa, she's got a lot of definition in her belly. That's amazing. And See, I do like yoga, and look at her physique. It's amazing. Let's just see. Healthy woman. I think that's not bad. I think maybe that's nice also because it's got the ocean in the background, which I love. And that's looking pretty good. It's got this lovely dye. I've put that one in there before. So, it's got Brussels sprouts. I love, it's got some grains and spices and lots of beautiful, vibrant fruit and vegetables. Yum. So it looks amazing. I like the look of that. I like the colors. I might change the words a little bit later on. I might tweak that, but there you go. Like that's pretty much that is a vision board for my health and fitness goals. So it automatically saves, which is awesome. And then what you do is you come up to this little arrow up here, the top right hand corner, and then you can download that. And then you can send it online to Officeworks. I think they deliver for $5 if you're in a urban area, metro area. It's $30, minimum $30 if you live in a regional area, which is where I am living at the moment, which sucks. So I have to find somewhere else to print it, but you can take it to, Big W, Kmart, and get it printed as a photo instead of as a colored print. Officeworks do a very high quality print, which I enjoy when I have been living in Sydney. And then the idea is that you print it out and then you would put it on your bathroom mirror, you put it on your fridge, you can put it on the wall where you're working, in your office. You just put it everywhere. And if you have a meditation practice, you can have the vision boards, and so you do your meditation, and just as you finish, you just gaze upon them and just really let it go into you, the energy of this vision to come into you, and you send your love and yes, that's what I want. You allow yourself to really amplify that this is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I like, I love this is great. So yeah, if that's been helpful, give this a thumbs up and leave your comment below. I would love to see what you think of it. And yeah, are you going to use a Canva? Have you used Canva for this before? Do you want to use Canva? The other thing you can do is put it as your screensaver on your phone, on your computer. Yeah, just basically put it wherever you can. It's like billboard advertising for yourself, for your goals, which obviously billboard advertising works. Otherwise, all of those massive companies wouldn't be spending billions of dollars every year doing it. It works. So do it for yourself. Put the good stuff in. Okay, that's it for me. Bye.